12.1 Properties of Translations. Transformation is a change in size, position, location, or direction of a figure. Pre-image, the input of a transformation, the original. The image, the output of the transformation. It's the new image. Translation slides the figure along a straight line. Orientation, the position of a new image compared to the pre-image. It's the direction. Okay, so whenever we're naming a point, like let's say we call it A, that's the original letter. When we translate it or transform it, it becomes A prime. So all new points are named with prime notation. Okay, let's take a look at example 1. So in example 1, the figure shows the triangle XYZ. Graph the image of the triangle after a translation of 4 units to the right and 1 unit up. Okay, so basically we are going to go 4 units to the right on every single letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. We make a dot. We call it X prime. Then we go to Y. Go over 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. We call it Y prime. Then we go to Z. We go over 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. We call it Z prime. We connect our dots. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Another way to do it is we have our original ordered pairs. And since we are going 4 units to the right, going to the right on the x-axis is a positive. So we are going to manipulate the x by adding 4. The y, we are going up 1 unit. When you go up, that's a positive. So we're going to take the y and we're going to go up 1. So let's take a look at the original ordered pair for x. So x was 1, 2, 3, 4. It was negative 4 and it was up 1. So this is x. Now we're going to do x prime. So if we go up 4, negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And if we go 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Is x prime at 0 too? Yes. Okay, so let's look at y. Y was 0, negative 1. So if we do y prime, 0 plus 4 is 4. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. Are we over 4 and at 0? Yes. Okay, and if we do z, z was 1, 2, 2 to the left, so negative 2, and it was 1, 2, 3 down. Alright, so if we do z prime, we have negative 2 plus 4 is 2. And negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So we go over 2 and down 2. That's right. Alright, let's go to the next one. So the figure shows the parallelogram ABCD. Graph the image of the parallel after translation 5 to the left and 2 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down 1, 2. We're going to call that A prime. 5 to the left, 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, 1, 2. We call that B prime. Okay, D, 5 to the left, 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, 1, 2. D prime. Okay, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down, 1, 2. C prime. Okay, we connect our dots. Okay, so that's graphically. Now if we look at it mathematically, we have the ordered pairs, x, y, and we're going 5 to the left. When you go to the left, it's like subtracting. So we're going to subtract 5 from x, and we're going to go 2 units down. So that's like minusing 2. So if we take the original ordered pair, A is 0, 1, 2, 3. If we take B is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's 3, 3. We take C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 1. And D is to the right, 2, down 1. Okay, so we need to come up with A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. Okay, so 0 minus 5 is negative 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. So let's check. Did we go to the left 5, up 1? Yes. Okay, 3 minus 5. Well, that's going to get us negative 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So did we go to the left 2, up 1? Yes. All right. C, 5 minus 5 is 0. Negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. Did I go 0, negative 3? Yes. All right, 2 minus 5. That is negative 3. And negative 1 minus 2 is negative 3. Did I go over 1, 2, 3 and down 1, 2, 3? Yes. All right, flip it to the back side. So these are the rules. When you add to the x, you're plusing. When you're going left, you're subtracting from the x. When you're going up, you're adding to your y. And when you're going down, you're subtracting from the y. So number 1, write an algebraic expression that would translate the figure 5 units to the left and 3 units up. So if we took the original ordered pair x, y, and we translate it 5 units left, that is x minus 5, because that's going to the left. And 3 units up, that would be y plus 3. X minus 5, y plus 3. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Write an algebraic expression. If you translate a figure 4 units to the right and 6 units down. So that going to the right is a plus. So x plus 4 and 6 units down, that's y minus 6. So x plus 4 and y minus 6. So identify the algebraic expression that would translate it 2 units to the right and 3 units down. So if we start off with the ordered pair, 2 units right would be x plus 2, and 3 units down would be y minus 3. So that would be C. Okay, we're going to translate the next one. So we want to go 1 unit left, so that's a minus 1. and 6 units up, so y plus 6. So x minus 1 and y plus 6 is g. Okay, a point located at 3, 6. What is the new location if it's translated 4 to the left and 5 up? So we have x, y, and we're going 4 to the left, so that's x minus 4, and 5 up, so y plus 5. The ordered pair is 3, 6. All right, 3 minus 4 and 6 plus 5. 3 minus 4 is -1, and 6 plus 5 is 11. The new ordered pair is -1, 11. Does a translation affect orientation? No. The direction of the figure stays the same. We're just sliding it. Does a translation affect the location? Yes. It slides to new coordinates. Does a translation affect size? No. The size remains the same.